February 6th through the 12th, this is My Osprey TV, Eastern Hillsborough County's premier internet broadcasting network. Community news and updates right after this message from Trish Waller.
Floridians have voted a resounding yes to Amendment 1. Homeowners now have property tax relief with portability. Portability allows homeowners to transfer all or part of their current property taxes to a new homestead.
If you've been thinking of a new home, now is the perfect time to put your current home on the market. Give us a call and we can get you on your way to the home you've always wanted.
With the next American Idol heating up, Idol fever is sweeping the country, and the Brandon area is no different. Brandon Idol, which started in 1999, is putting a call out to talented residents of all ages with auditions and tryouts scheduled around the area from now until the contest in April. For a full list of audition dates and locations, visit brandonidol.com. Proceeds from the contest will support local charities, which last year included Kids Charity of Tampa Bay and the Dream Factory. Brandon South Rotary will kick off its Rotary fundraising for 2008 with a Mad Hatter Tea Party scheduled for Cross Creek Ranch in Dover on Saturday, February 23rd at 2 p.m. The event, with Mad Hatter hostesses selected from the Brandon community to sponsor tables of 8 attendees, promises to be an enjoyable afternoon. The event will include tea tastings from local businesses, a silent auction, and live music from Bloomingdale pianist Amanda Cooley. Food will be provided by Chick-fil-A, Lake Brandon Village, Jamer Q Southern Barbecue, Honey Baked Ham, Peter Brook Chocolatier, and tea by Mobile Tea Party Company, La Ti Da. Silent auction prizes include a one-week stay at a cabin in North Carolina, 1 month of piano lessons, a free advertisement in the Osprey Observer newspapers, Chick-fil-A basket, one-night stay at the French Country Inn Bed and Breakfast at Cross Creek Ranch, and many more. Tickets for the event are $20 per person or $150 for a table of 8. Table hostesses will be asked to decorate their Mad Hatter hat, which will be provided. On February 14th and 15th, WQIK 99.5 FM is coming to Brandon to kick off the Country Cares for St. Jude's Kids Radiothon. The event, which raises money for St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital, will include live radio broadcasts from outside Dick's Sporting Goods in Westfield, Brandon. Volunteers are still needed, and donations are always appreciated. From elephant ears, fried Snickers, and cookie pie koopies to rides and entertainment, there is something for everyone at the Florida State Fair, taking place at the State Fairgrounds at U.S. Highway 301 and I-4 in Tampa. Entertainment at this year's fair, which started in 1904 and runs from February 7th through the 18th, includes a Las Vegas Review, the national finals of the Elvis Extravaganza Impersonator Contest, and the Florida State Roller Derby Championship. There will also be more than a dozen agricultural activities, from a hay bale decorating contest to a rooster crowing contest. Pepsi armbands are available for unlimited rides, and group tickets can be purchased in advance. That's this week's edition for My Osprey TV. For more on these and other stories, be sure to read your edition of the award-winning Osprey Observer community newspaper, or click the link Osprey Observer at the top of this page. We want to thank all of you for your emails and story ideas and for supporting our local businesses. If you're looking for a particular product or service, be sure to visit businessinbrandon.com, the business directory for Eastern Hillsborough residents. Remember, the best news is good news, so go out and make it a good news day. I'm Dave. Thanks for checking in.